Yes. I think there are 5 or 6 petitions. Now the issue that was there in those petitions was that same wards were reserved, and the petitioner had objected to the reservation of those wards. So we pointed out to the Honorable High Court that there is no pattern for reservation of wards as such. Second thing that was pointed out was, earlier when the Directorate of Panchayats used to basically do reservation of seats, they used to reserve seats for women at the first instance, and then the other reservations were done. Now, State Election Commission is doing the exercise of reservation for the first time, and in this, so we have given first preference to the Constitution. That is, reservation for SC, reservation for ST, and reservation for women. The reservation for other backward classes will only come thereafter. One more thing that was done earlier was reservation for women that was given was not in terms of what is provided in the Constitution. I'll give an example. What is provided for in the reservation is not less than 1/3. If there are 7 seats, that means how many seats will have to be reserved? Or basically 3 seats will have to be reserved, which is more than 33%. But it is a constitutional mandate that not less than 1/3 seats are required to be reserved. Now the grievance in that matter that was raised was, if there are 7 Panchayat wards, how could you reserve 4 out of it? It exceeds 50. It exceeds 50%, as it would be contravention of the other judgments which are passed by the Honorable Supreme Court. We pointed out that a limit of 50% is applicable only in case of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and other backward classes, and that will not be applicable as far as women reservations are concerned. I think that will suffice your clarifications, what you have sought.
No, what about, sir, OBC reservation matter?
As far as OBC reservation is concerned, we told the Honorable High Court that we did not get the data and that too the data in compliance of the triple test judgment as laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court of India in Gavli's case. This triple test was referred initially in Krishnamurthy's judgment in 2010. Thereafter it has been repeated in 2021 in Gavli's judgment, and so thereafter there is again a reference in the latest judgment that was passed by the Honorable Supreme Court. So in the absence of that, we have converted all those OBC seats into general seats, and we are going ahead with the election process.